So over here you can see that I have an element over here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to flip and arrange its position. So I can go around and click and drag it out to arrange its position and place it wherever I want. I can utilize the corner dots right here to click and drag and then resize out the image as I like as well, just like this. I can go around and utilize the arrow keys to nudge them out over here as well. And over here on the top, you can see that I have an option to flip this out as well. For example, you can go around and flip it horizontally right here, or you can go around and flip it vertically as well. Apart from that, you can go around and then send to back and bring it to front as well. But for that, you need multiple elements. So I'm just going to go around over here under elements and bring in another element over here. So this element is on the front, as you can see, and I'm going to go around and bring in another element over here as well, and this element is on the front. So if I were to go around over here and bring this to, let's say, send to front, then this comes up onto the front, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can go around and select this, bring this to the front as well, and it comes to the frontmost area over here, just like this. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around and click on this, then it goes to the back, as you can see right here. So it goes a bit back, and then you can click on this again and it goes back again. And that is how you can arrange out the layers inside of Vectr as you like, and then position it out as you like. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.